Hey guys, I just want to announce this quick video. Love you guys to death. I want to start the video off with that. But the first video ever dropping on the family channel actually dropped already, so go check it out. Link is in the description, and I'm gonna leave an iCard wherever the iCards are. You can go check it out, click on that, and then at the end of the video it'll also like have like a thing you can click on to go subscribe to the Great Family channel and watch the video. What's the deal? Anyways, go check out the video. The first ever video that we dropped was our wedding video, and like I said before, me, Candace, and Kellen were the only ones that ever watched that video, so go check it out. Not even my parents seen it yet until after it released. There's still a lot of people who haven't even seen it yet, so make sure to go show some love, guys. Go check it out. I just wanted to shoot this short little update for you guys so that you're notified on what's going on. And yeah, I think that's basically it. Basically just me saying, yo, go show some love to something that I created that's brand new, and it's gonna be a lot of amazing content that's being dropped on that. If you want to know more information about what's gonna be on the family channel, check out the video before this one titled Let Me Explain. Go check out the family channel. Love you guys to death. You guys are awesome. Hopefully you guys do have an amazing day. Matter of fact, have a great day. Peace out and God bless.